Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will see how to create the icon fill chart in Excel. If you see, we have icons wherein the fill portion is in a particular color and the remaining portion is in gray color. As we enter the percent over here, for example, if I enter 65%, these icons automatically change. Let's also put 100%. So if you see, the entire icon is filled in one particular color. And if we put 0%, it is fully gray. So let's see how to create this chart. We have our full percent over here, which is 100%, and the percent value is the percent which we want filled. For example, if 100% is the full value, then 80% is completed. So 80% should be in a particular color. So we first we select our data, we go to insert, and we insert a normal clustered column chart. Then we go here and we say format axis and we fix our axis minimum at 0 and maximum at 1, and the major would be 0.1. Now we can go ahead and delete the grid lines and delete the axis. Now if you see here, we have full and present separate, two separate axes. We want it in the same. So we select the chart and we go switch row and column. Now if you see, we get one over here and we have our full series over here and our percent series over here. Now the next step is you go to insert, you go to icons and select an icon which you want. For example, I am selecting the building icon. So I go here and I select the building icon. Now in the building icon, just crop it and remove the extra spaces at the sides. So I have done that. I have selected the graphic. I have gone to graphic format and I say graphic outline, no outline, and graphic fill, I give it a gray color. Now just extend it to a little big. Make a copy of this and give it the other color which you want, the fill color. So the fill color I want in purple. So I have put purple color over here. Now what you need to do is for this fill series, we need to put the gray building, and for the person series, we need the purple building. So I go here and I copy the gray building and I put it out here. And for the person series also, I copy the purple building and I paste it here. Now if you see, we have both buildings over here. But for the person series also, the entire building is present. We want the building to be cut off at a point so that when the entire building is seen, only a portion of purple is highlighted, not the entire one. So what you need to do is select your series, which is the person series, go to fill, and here in stretch, stack and scale width, select stack and scale width and ensure 1 is written over here in units and pictures. So now if you see, we have the entire building, but the building is cut off at the end. Do the same for the other also. Do stack and scale with 1. Now we have both our buildings, but they are separate. To have them combined, select any one of the series, then go to this option over here in series option and overlap it to 100%. Now if you see, our building is completely overlapped, the gray portion and the purple portion. We can go ahead and delete the axis and the chart title and just adjust it as per required. Let's try 1 more percent. Let's try 25%. A small portion is highlighted. Let's try 65%. a small portion is highlighted. You can use different icons. For example, in my chart, I have used a building icon, a trophy icon, a person icon, a lab icon, and a database icon. So you can use any of the icons which you require and get your desired effect in the chart. And this is how you create this icon fill chart. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.